Blessed morning guys! We are here at Pagsibol Village located in Zona Cavite. So we are here at two-story duplex house ni Raymond. Dreamy house. Ayan po. Ayan. Dalawa lang po kayo ng katabi. So this is the example of corner unit. Ayan, ang ganda. So my God. Ayan. Laki nito. Tara guys, sa loob silipin natin ang ating two-story duplex house. By the way guys, that area nito is 54 square meter and the floor area is 44.5 square meter. Tara, let's get inside. Silipin natin ang napakagandang two-story duplex. Ayan po. Included na po itong screen door. Ayan. Ayan po. Gold type po yung door. Ayan, napakaganda. Naka-aircon. Ayan po ang sample model house. Ayan. Pwede nyo po may copy. Ayan. Bibili din ako ito soon. Ayan. Ganda, di ba? At ang bango ng model house nila guys. Ayan, magpa-tripping na kayo sa akin. Ayan o. Ang ganda. Ganda, oh. Yan, the laundry area. Included na din po itong screen door. Yan. Yan, laundry area niyo po. Yan. Then, ito po yung CR. Laki, diba? For your family, white tiles. Napakaganda ng tiles nila. So, let's go upstairs. Yan po. Tubular yung stairs. Then, itong stairs. Ayan, nilagyan nila ng wood. It is included na po. Pag na-turn over, ang ganda, no? Modern design. Ano po yung bedroom number 1. Ayan. High ceiling. Yan. Hindi masyadong mainit. Ayan. Meron na po siya provision for aircon ha. Yan po. Then, bedroom number 2. This one po. The master's bedroom provision na rin po yung aircon. Yan. Sliding window na po ang ating window yan. May insect trap para hindi pumasok yung mga lamok or langan. Yan po. That's it! If you want to avail this property, message me Vanessa Estanyol from Aradisi Realty. Under Pag-ibig and only 10K lang po ang ilalabas ninyo. Included na dito yung processing fee, Meralco, and water installation. So, no down payment, no equity. If you are OFW, locally employed, you can avail this Pagsibol. Okay, bye guys! See you!